everybody. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make bacon and eggs. Okay, so over here we have some bacon. It's supposed to look like that. And we got eggs. We're only gonna need I don't know, maybe 5, I guess. We're gonna eat scrambled eggs. A tomato. We got some nice light rye bread here for toast. And the only thing I didn't take out was the pickles and the cheese because they'll get too warm. So let's open this. And Ed's my cameraman. Okay. This knife is not very sharp, but we just need to get to the bacon. Where's my thing? Oh. You need tongs, or you'll scratch your pan like I did. Okay, so, I don't know, we haven't had bacon in a long time, so I don't think we should overdo it, for crying out loud. Okay. And then you put it in a cold pan. I find if you like warm up your pan, it doesn't turn out very, like it turns out okay, but not how it should. We'll have 3 each. Put that just there and here, and then can you hand me a paper towel if it's possible? Okay, we're gonna wash our hands. Okay, then we're gonna turn this on. I do a medium. If you turn it up too much, it's gonna burn on you, and then you're gonna have sad people if you're feeding people. And yeah, so this is just a wrap. You want to wrap that up. Or if you're gonna eat the whole pound of bacon, then you don't need to. But yeah, so we're gonna let that fry up, and then when it's close to being done, then we'll start our scrambled eggs and our toast, and cut up the cheese and the pickles. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so this is just about done. I have the oven at 200 because what I'm going to do is, some of these are, like these 2 are done here, and I'm just going to put them in this oven safe dish, and then I'm just going to put it in the oven just to keep it warm. So while that's cooking, that's nothing. Crack our eggs. Usually I would just do like two eggs each, but we're extra hungry this morning, so I'll do okay. And then we're gonna go back over here and check on our bacon. which this one is done. Yeah, I forgot to say, if you never made bacon before, but I'm sure like everybody has, but if you haven't, you gotta keep flipping the bacon. Because both sides have to cook. Okay, so we'll leave those two there, and then we'll come back over here and hang on, I gotta get a little bit of milk, just a little bit, like that. That's good. And then put your pepper and your salt. And come back over here. I like to make sure, well, that's another thing, make sure it's cooked all the way through because it's pork and you are gonna get really sick and get worms from it if you don't cook it right, so cook it right. Okay, then we're just gonna whisk.
She's talking about the bum worms, eh?
Okay, so just don't overbeat your eggs. Just beat them so they're together. Like that. That's good. Okay, so then we're gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna leave this element on because we're going to use it for the eggs. Oh, and while we're waiting, you're going to start your toast. I don't really care if the toast it doesn't have to be steaming hot or right out of the toaster, just as long as it's, you know, there. I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to take out two more, and there. Let this one just finish right there. Okay, and then let's put this away. Oh, and if you're gonna have like pickles and cheese and stuff, you can get them out now. So then there, and then take this one out. Put your tongs there. Put that in there. Move this one over. Put your new pan there. Turn it up to about a medium. Oh yeah, I had to turn the bacon down to like a 4, or else it was cooking too fast. So let's get our eggs cooked fast. So you kind of have to have everything like coming together.
I thought there was hash browns.
Son of a gun. Okay. We're going to let me use my brain for a second. Okay, let's take this out of here. We're having hash browns, so I'm just gonna put this over there, and I think the hash browns go to 450. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait and for this to preheat, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How about like I show the hash browns when they're halfway cooking? Then I'll have enough time for...
How about we just show the hash browns when they're done-ish, so you can start the eggs?
Well, that's what I meant.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna wait for the oven to preheat now. And I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so our hash browns are done. They're in there, and I'm just gonna put the bacon on the tray just to get it a little bit warm. And I've turned on the frying pan again for the eggs. And over here, while I was waiting, I chopped some pickle and some tomato and some pear and some orange. Now's a good time to put the toast down, and while the frying pan is heating up for the eggs, I just have to put some cheese on the plate. You don't have to have all this though. I'm just showing you how I make it.
This is how Donna rolls. Eh?
And since we gotten older, we're like really not into like the pancakes and the like the sweet stuff. So
No.
you know, 10 years ago there would have been pancakes or waffles on there, but not no more. Okay, so our bread is down, and let me just cover this. Give this a quick whisking. Over here. And then just start, if you don't move it around, it's gonna turn into like a fluff omelet. Okay, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then when this is close to being done, we just take out the, what is it?
Bacon hash browns?
Yes. Okay, so let that cook, and it's always good that if you can keep your stuff cleaned up so it doesn't look like shit while you're eating. And you have more room to also work. I don't have a lot of counter, so. Okay, so here we go. I don't like, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, if you wanted to, you could put like onions in here. If you don't, just this or some cheese in it too, okay? Cheese and
You can put whatever you want in there.
you don't even have to do scrambled eggs. You can make omelets or fried eggs or poached, but like I said, this is how I make it. Okay, so that's just about done. So we're gonna check on our toast, which is just about done, and then we're gonna put down, get that buttered, and then put that down, and get our oven mitt ready. And you have to make sure your eggs are cooked too. Don't undercook eggs. I hear you can get sick from them. I don't know. I've never gotten sick from. See, it's coming all together now. Okay, and then those ones down because you just kind of want everything to be done close to the same time. Toast doesn't matter. If you're wondering what happened to the toast that I put down in the last little thing, we ate it because it would have been too cold. Always use separate knives for your butter, or else you're gonna get crumbs in there. And so you're gonna put that like that. Come back over here. You don't want this. That's, people probably eat it, but I don't. It's just from the, what is it? Like the sides of the thin part. Just throw it over there. Okay, so these are just about done. Oops. Pick up your towel. Okay, so then I'm going to take out this. And there. And I just will use some tongs. 1, 2, 2, 2. Put that back in. Put that there. Oh yes, okay, those are done. Shut that off. Grab your bacon. this looks nice. I should cook breakfast more often. Just fuck!
You did it again. You burnt your fucking hand. Oh.
I'll use the sheep.
Yeah. Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. So anyways.
Hang on 1 second here. Let me get this out of the way. Okay.
I thought it would have been cooled down. Guess I was wrong.
Donna, do I have to take control of this situation?
No, I'm good. Okay, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna grab our eggs. Try to make them equal as you can, like this. For crying out loud. Get it. Okay, hang on. There's that stuff I don't like. Okay, so that's breakfast. That's how we do breakfast. That's how to make bacon and eggs and hash browns and toast and all the good stuff. So if you want to see us eat this, then watch the next video because we're going to be eating the breakfast in there. And I think that's everything. So that's it. That's all. Bye.